All right, boys and girls, here we are. We are on day 19. We have 2 days left is all. Number 1, fill in the numbers to make this true. Something over 8 is bigger than something over 8. Okay, well, last time we had the same numerators. We needed different denominators. I always think that the different numerators or the same denominator is easier because this number just has to be bigger than this number, right? 7 is greater than 3. That one's a little bit easier. It's when I think it's when the other way happens. So write the value of the 7 in each number. Well, the 7 in here would be 70 because that's 7 tens, right? The 7 in the second one would be 700. And the 7 there is just 7. Okay, let's see. Measure this line of mushrooms to the nearest ½ inch. Okay, so there we go. I line it up on my 0. And to the nearest ½ inch, I have 1 full inch. I have 2 full inches. I'm somewhere between 2 and 3 inches. I'm actually halfway, right? I am halfway between 2 and 3. So therefore, it is 2½ inches. That is right on that halfway mark. Okay, flip it around here. Let's go to the nearest centimeter. And I see it's between 6 and 7. If you look real close, do you see the longer line right here that my pencil lead's touching? That would be 6½ centimeters, right? So 6½ centimeters, it's on that side, meaning it's closer to 6. That's our halfway point. So it's closer to 6 centimeters than it is 7. Okay, number 4, write the division equation. Okay, well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's 1, 2, 3. So total, I would have what? Yeah, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. You can do it that way, right? That's what we got that song for. So 21 divided by 7 is 3, or 21 divided by 3 is also 7. So either way, these two could be flipped around there, okay? And number 5, Finn has 5 gold coins. Stumpy has twice as many coins as Finn. So if Finn has 5, that means, and Stumpy has twice as many as Finn. So 5 times 2, because it's twice, 5 times 2 is 10. So Stumpy has 10. Oh, Patty has 3 times as many coins as Stumpy. Okay, so Patty has 3 times as many as Stumpy. So 10, 20, 30. 10 times 3 is 30. So Patty would have 30. How many coins does Patty have? 30 coins. Ooh, yeah, that's a bonus one. All right. Great work today, boys and girls. We'll see you tomorrow for our final day of March Daily Math.